welcome back to Kitchen Tips Online. Buckle your seatbelts because this is going to be a fast review of this electric griddle. Coming up, I'll share the absolute best feature of this electric griddle, but first, let's take a good look at the nonstick surface. While it might be a bit hard to capture on video, the cooking surface is a premium nonstick finish. Also, as you can see, the cooking surface is quite large and slightly tilted forward, allowing drippings to flow into the front drip tray. Underneath, there's a 1500 watt heating element, which is why the griddle heats up so quickly. And because it's spaced out evenly on the bottom side of the cooking surface, there are no hot spots. Now let's take a look at the control. You'll notice that there is a probe sticking out of the middle. Well, that probe is a thermistor that measures the temperature of the cooking surface. There is no danger of electrical shock if you touch it. And finally, the part you're going to love best about this electric griddle, you can put it in the dishwasher to clean it. We have these available on our Amazon store if you'd like to get one. Just look for the link in the lower left-hand corner of this video or in the video description. Thanks for watching.